President Trump announced on Friday a new fee for H-1Bs, and that new fee will be
$100,000.
That's a staggering amount compared to the normal fee, which is about $1,750 to $4,500.
The proclamation was very direct, very strong, and very scary for a lot of employers and certainly the visa holders who were completely blindsided by this proclamation. The White House clarified that this new proclamation does not impact individuals who currently have the H-1B visa.
This is a very big problem for the future of many American businesses, and because of that, this can have an effect on the American economy.
The H-1B visa allows U.S. employers like universities, research institutions, hospitals, school districts, and of course the tech industry to be able to hire qualified workers to fill critical positions that they would not otherwise be able to fill. They are granted this visa to work in these positions for 3 years or up to 6 years if the visa is extended.
The company needs to decide, is that person valuable enough to have $100,000 a year payment to the government, or they should head home and they should go hire an American.
I think the Trump administration is basically trying to end the use of H-1Bs because a $100,000 application fee is outrageous. I just don't think that companies are going to be willing to pay that.
You're very close to the technology CEOs. Are they concerned about that?
Everyone's going to be happy, and we're going to be able to keep people in our country that are going to be very productive people. And in many cases, these companies are going to pay a lot of money for that, and they're very happy about it.
Some of that may be true, but I don't think so. I think that now companies that cannot fill jobs, they're going to offshore these jobs. For example, the biggest users of H-1Bs are Indians and Chinese, and it's very possible that the companies will say, well, you know what, maybe these jobs can be done abroad. We've already seen that for India, and it's also possible that some students that have been coming to the United States for their studies, they looked at this possibility before they came here. It may discourage some foreign students, so this could hurt university enrollment also. For decades now, the United States has relied on foreign-born brain power. Silicon Valley is filled with companies that were started by inventors and creative people from China and from India and from other parts of the world. And I think this is going to cut off that kind of creativity. This goes into effect for the next round of applications that are coming up after the beginning of the year. It's going to be very problematic for people on OPT, for new college graduates.
They should certainly speak with an immigration attorney to have a look at their background and qualifications.
It's possible that a court might say that this fee is unreasonable, but I'll be honest with you, the Supreme Court has shown a lot of deference to Mr. Trump. There definitely will be challenges, and the argument by the companies will be that this is unreasonable and that if the change is going to be made, that Congress should do this, not the president.